Hey there! So, imagine you run into a problem where you need to extract everything that comes before and after the \\scalebox single quote string in a text. It can be quite tricky to get just the right parts, right? But fear not. We're here to dive into this problem and find a solution for it together. So, let's talk about the solution. The key here is to use a specific pattern to capture anything that comes before and after the \\scalebox single quote string. The code provided does just that. By defining a pattern that includes capturing groups for both the text before and after \\scalebox single quote, we can easily retrieve those specific parts. With this approach, you can accurately extract the desired sections of text without any hassle. It's like magic. In summary, we've covered a neat solution to tackle the problem of extracting text before and after a specific string like \\scalebox single quote. By using the right pattern and capturing groups in Lua, you can effortlessly achieve this task. I hope this explanation has shed some light on how to approach similar text extraction challenges in the future. And with that, my friends, I bid you farewell. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Who knows, your comment might just make me chuckle. Cheers!